thing I always wanted to do was build my own plane, so this was a great way to learn about it.
You know, there's no cooler feeling of flying in the air in something that you've built yourself, and it really becomes one of the most rewarding things that many of our customers have ever done. I grew up in this business. My dad, Chris, started doing this in the 70s, and so as a kid I grew up around airplanes, and of course I loved airplanes. But what we do here is manufacture kits for these airplanes, and a kit is really, it's like a big model, it's like a big erector set. Right here we manufacture about 600 different pieces here at the factory.
We're here for the rudder build. I'm doing the cruiser, so I'm here to learn about it and see how hard it is to put together, and so far it's been very easy.
The customer really only requires very simple skills, very simple tools to put together, so that in about 500 hours or about a year for the typical builder, they will have a finished flying airplane. These airplanes are a true joy to fly. The visibility from these light aircraft is really quite fantastic.
Pretty amazing feeling that you can actually build something that you can fly in.